a plaster cast. Many times, sorry, in so many years in here, I've heard a lot of stupidity. I heard the mummies, bodies. Last year I even heard that those people become stoned with a gas. Nothing of those. Those are plaster casts. What's a plaster cast? In 1839, a great archaeologist, so 90 years after the beginning of the excavations, arrived proper archaeologists, and they get a great idea. Those people were fugitive. When you escape, where you escape? Along the roads. So those casts were not discovered there, they were discovered along the road. So imagine me, 2,000 years ago, hear the noise. What I try? I try to escape, okay? We'll keep walking. When I escape along the roads, asphyxiated by the gas, I feel like drunk, and I fell in the ash. My body keep continuing breathing. So what's happened? The ash entered into my lung, becomes solid. That's the way I die. I die below the ash. The agony was long. The agony was long. But I didn't realize it because I'm like drunk. What's happened? That the first eruption in 79 AD buried Pompeii with 9 feet, 3 meters. So the ash around my body becomes solid. And my body decomposed after 1,600 years, even less. So what is stay below the ash? An empty space. What have done the archaeologists? Along the roads, 40 feet high, they make everywhere holes. And when they find an empty space below, they injected liquid plaster. The plaster filled the empty space up. In this case, my space. For me, they need a little more plaster, but that's okay. After 2-3 days, the plaster becomes solid. They continue the excavation, and they have the plaster cast. Thanks to those casts, we know how the people die. We know the sides of the people. We see their expression, and that was a great idea of these archaeologists. So a plaster cast, ladies and gentlemen, is an injection of liquid plaster into an empty space left by a decomposed organic material. So we have people, trees, furniture, doors, animals, any kind of organic material. We are going to see one of the highlights because this one was the first one, one of the first one made in 1839. So one of the oldest ones. That's why everybody's lying. We let our colleague of mine coming out, and then afterwards we enter. We are going to have the cast only for us.
Nice.